video, we're going to learn about digestive system. In order to get nutrients from the food we eat, we must first break the food down into simpler substances that our body can absorb. This is done by our digestive system. Consists of various organs. This is the human digestive system. How does each of the organs work? Firstly, the food enters through the mouth. The teeth in the mouth chew the food, break it down into smaller pieces. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Saliva contains an enzyme that digests starch into sugar. Then, the tongue helps to swallow the food down the esophagus to the stomach. The stomach produces an acid juices to kill the bacteria in the food. It also produces enzymes that digest proteins. From the stomach, the food, which is now in the partly digested form, moves slowly into the intestine. The intestines are divided into two parts, namely the small intestine and the large intestine. The walls of the small intestine and pancreas produce enzymes to digest proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in the food. The liver produces bile and sends it to the small intestine. Bile is used in emulsification of fats. At this stage, the sizes and structures of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats become smaller and simpler. They are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. Water, vitamins, and minerals are being absorbed too. The blood carries these nutrients to all cells in our body. The undigested food or incompletely digested food then enters the large intestine. The large intestine is much wider than the small intestine. However, it is also shorter. Here, excess water is absorbed into the body. The undigested food is stored waste or fiber waste at the rectum. Then it is passed out of the body as feces through the anus. Let's know more. A meal may take up 2 to 3 days to pass through our whole digestive system. The organs in our digestive system are important. They help in food digestion, absorptions of nutrients needed for good health and growth, and removal of undigested food from our bodies. Therefore, we should take care of our organs for them to function properly. Adhere to the food-based dietary guidelines such as eating more vegetables and fruits every day. Drink more plain water. Eat at regular hours. Do not overeat and do not rush our food. Have breakfast every morning. And exercise regularly.